Throughout history, in all cultures, religions, and philosophical schools, from ancient times to the present, so many teachings have been offered about the formation of human existence. Each has tried, in its own manner, to enlighten people about the nature of human existence. In this video, we try to explain you, simply and briefly, the broad outlines of the nature of human existence and three dimensions of our entity. Imagine you are asleep and dreaming. Picture a simple dream. You're walking. The body sleeping here is your physical body, and the body walking in the dream is your intuitive body. And you know, of course, that you are both of these two bodies. Let's look more deeply. Who is dreaming? It seems that there is another presence here, one who sees this dream. This watcher, too, is you. So, there is another presence that simultaneously looks at these two bodies, and if you look even more closely, you will understand that the watcher itself is never seen, but all the time is witnessing. Thus, the structure of our being apparently consists of three dimensions: physical body, intuitive body, and the unseen witness. The physical body is tangible. We know so many things about it. The intuitive body is not tangible, but it can be seen. The unseen dimension is neither tangible nor visible. We can suppose these three dimensions as the three vertices of a triangle, and the triangle is the field of our life. All our thoughts, speech, and actions arise from the interaction of these three dimensions and affect the situation of the triangle, that is our life. In the next video, we will explain the nature of human existence and these three dimensions of our being in more details. Subscribe and join us to step the way of better understanding of the nature of our existence.